Hey guys, a very warm welcome on Lopter YouTube channel. My name is Krishna Saurath and Jai Hind guys, and now I'm going to explain about what is Pinda under Hindu Marriage Act 1955. So let us begin with the topic. Okay, so suppose there are two person. First person is male and another person is female, and they are belong to same Pinda, so they did not allowed to do marriage with each other. So what is Pinda? Now I will going to explain what is Pinda with the help of section 3 clause F under Hindu Marriage Act 1955. So let us begin with the topic. So as per this section, spinda relation with reference to any person extend as far as the third generation in the line of ascent through mother and the fifth in the line of ascent through father, the line being traced upward in the each case from the person concerned who is to be counted as the first generation. Okay, now I'm moving to second clause. Okay, two person are said to be spinda of each other if one is linear ascendant of the other within the limit of spinda relation, or if they have common linear ascendant who is within the limit of spinda relationship with the reference of each of them. Okay, now I will going to explain in a very simple words. First of all, you cannot marry with your father's offspring. Here offspring means that children belong to their parents. ठीक है, offsprings can be known as children also. Okay, so that you cannot marry with your father's offsprings. Also you cannot marry with your grandfather offsprings. Also you cannot marry with your great grandfather offsprings. Also you cannot marry with your great grandfather offsprings. Okay, because they contain one ancestral family structure. Okay, also you cannot marry with those people who belongs to one ancestral of your family member. Okay, same as same as maternal side also, but only for one change, that it consists only three generations, namely first one you will be counted as first generation. Okay, second generation will counted as your mother, and third generation is your maternal grandfather. Okay, now I hope that you understood with this explanation. Also you can also note it that you cannot marry in your spin relation, because it can cause many genetical issues, as relatives are your blood relation. Okay, and other than that, there are some relations which comes in prohibit degree. You cannot marry with your brother and sister. Similarly, you cannot marry with your brother's wife and sister's husband, because they are also come in your as a family member. Also I will like to explain that what is full blood siblings. So full blood siblings is nothing but two siblings which are belong to same father and same mother. Okay, now we are going to half blood siblings. So in half blood siblings, two siblings which are belongs to same father but two different mothers. Okay, last one, here comes urinary blood siblings. Okay, in that siblings, two siblings which are belong to same mother but two different fathers. Okay, it's called uterine blood siblings. Okay, and I will now end my session here. And if you really like this session, so please like the video, share the video, and subscribe this Lopatra YouTube channel. Okay, for further informative videos. And Jai Hind guys again, and God bless you all.